Hello everyone, it's your girl Allie. I'm back again today doing a video. I am getting ready to start on the video using acrylic with Daul Forms, and I'm getting ready to show you guys how I actually do that. Welcome everyone to my channel who haven't seen my channel or been to my channel before. Just want to let you guys know that my channel is about beauty, inside and out beauty, and I will be just showing you guys what I like and what I do. And also welcome back to the ones that are already a family to the Allie Beauty channel. Okay, so I'm about to dive into the video. I'm just showing you guys how I clean my cuticle and so forth. And also to the newcomers, make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that you'll be able to see all the upcoming videos that will be posted as well. Okay, so once you hit that subscribe button and turn your notification on, you'll be able to see all the new videos that I'll be uploading very soon. Okay, so right now I'm just basically cleaning my cuticles before I dive in. I will be also showing you guys how I actually apply the acrylic into the Daul form and then put it onto the nail bed so it can actually cure onto the nail bed. So you'll see that in just a minute. Just want to clean up all the cuticle real good. And you guys, I was just a little nervous about doing it because I didn't know if it was going to actually work. Now, as y'all already know, for the people that are already used to my channel and have been viewing my channel, and for the people that do not know, I do have videos of Polygel. So if you stroll through my channel, I have videos that I have actually did Polygel on my toes. I have did Polygel on my hands, and I use the Daul Forms. So this is the first time I'm using Daul Form with acrylic, and I'm telling you guys, I was so nervous. I was so nervous. So I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the video, and you will see exactly what I'm talking about once I use the Daul Form with acrylic. And I'm just telling you guys, I didn't think it was gonna work, but it actually worked, and it came out good. And I want you guys to see the results of how it looked. So I'm gonna let y'all enjoy this video, you guys, and see the work and see how good it looks. All right, so I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next video that I will be uploading. Today is Tuesday, tomorrow's Wednesday. All right, you guys, my nails are clean and I'm getting ready to start.